In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Etsy using the latest steps. Let's get started with the first crucial move, which is logging into your Etsy account. Now, you need to go to Etsy.com, and you can do this on either your desktop or any browser of your choice. Once you're there, sign in with your email and password. Make sure you have your credentials handy to breeze through this step. Next, it's time to head to your account settings. To do this, click on your profile icon. You'll find it located at the top right of the page. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Account Settings. After you've done that, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Security. This section is where we'll be handling all the security settings for your Etsy account. Now let's focus on enabling two-factor authentication, a critical security feature that adds an additional layer of protection to your account. First, locate the two-factor authentication option. Once you find it, click on Enable. Here, Etsy will present you with options for how you'd like to receive your security codes. You've got a few choices: using an authenticator app, receiving a text message, or an email. We highly recommend using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator for the most secure experience. With your choice in hand, let's set up your preferred method. If you're going with an authenticator app, you'll need to scan the QR code that Etsy provides. Once scanned, your app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code on the Etsy page to authenticate the connection. Alternatively, if you decide to use text messages, simply enter your phone number when prompted. Etsy will send you a code via SMS, which you'll need to type in to proceed. For those who opt for email, Etsy will send a code to your registered email address. Check your email, get the code, and enter it to confirm and enable this added security measure. Finally, it's important to secure your account with backup codes. Etsy will give you a list of these backup codes, which are essential if you ever lose access to your primary device or method of receiving security codes. Be sure to print these codes or store them in a safe place where you can easily access them when needed. And there you have it. You've successfully activated two-factor authentication on your Etsy account, bolstering its security. Make sure to keep your backup code safe and enjoy the added peace of mind knowing your account is now better protected. Thank you for following along, and until next time, take care and stay secure.